Class 10. We have seen exercise 2.3 in my previous class, and till question number 3 of exercise 2.3 is done already. Here today I am going to discuss question number 4 of your NCERT book. Take your NCERT book. Question number 4 on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find gx. So here for this question, few concepts should be clear in your mind. That at first you know that px equal to qx gx into qx, that is gx into qx plus rx. This is division algorithm. This is called division algorithm. By that you are verifying your division work. If in simple words I am telling you all that, then dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This fact is there, and in this fact one thing is very clear, that if rx is equal to 0, that means if remainder is 0, then gx is a factor of qx. When you can say that the gx is a factor of px when rx is 0, that means when remainder is 0, then it is clear that the gx is a factor of px. This is the first very important thing over here. And the second important thing is that if rx is greater than 0, that means if your remainder is not coming 0, or then that means it is greater than 0. If rx is greater than 0, then you know that the degree of rx is always less than the degree of gx. And the third important point is that degree of gx plus degree of qx. Degree of gx plus degree of qx will be equal to the degree of px when gx is completely dividing px. So this is all about the relation between the degrees of the remainder, of the divisor, and of the quotient. These all degrees are correlated and they are having some relation among them. Now I am talking about question number 4. So in question number 4, you are aware that px equal to gx into qx plus rx. By taking this relation only, question number 4 will be discussed. So here let us start the solution of question number 4 now. It is given that, so first of all just you take px equal to the given x cube minus 3x square, that is x cube minus 3x square, then it is plus x plus 2 plus x plus 2. This is the px, that means it is the dividend, and then it is divided by a polynomial gx, then the quotient means qx, and it is given that qx is coming, the quotient is coming x minus 2, the quotient is coming x minus 2, and the remainder means rx is coming minus 2x plus 4. It is coming minus 2x plus 4. Then you need to find the gx. You need to find the gx. Here gx equal to what? As you know, px equal to gx into qx plus rx. So let me write this relation. Since we know that px is equal to gx into rx, so this time I am writing this like that: gx into qx plus Rx equal to Px. This is known and this is the division algorithm. This is our division algorithm. Division algorithm. So this I have written because it is the division algorithm. Just I have written the things the things which are written at the right side. This time I have written it at the left side. Now your Gx is given, that is x minus 2. Here Gx is given, that is x minus 2, and Gx is not that is not Gx, that is actually Qx. So here I am writing just Gx, and instead of Qx I am writing this x minus 2. Then I am writing Rx. Rx is here minus 2x plus 4, and here Px is given, that is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This is your Px. So first of all this thing should go, that means addition work should go right side. I am just calculating it normally, and let me see what result I am getting. Here Gx into x minus 2, and this completely going that side. So here it will be written as x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, and then minus here minus 2x plus 4, how it was there, the plus with plus sign, and if I am changing the side, it is written at the left side, I am taking it at the right side. So what thing is coming? Let me write one more time. It is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, then minus minus plus 2x and minus plus minus 4. Further it can be written as, here x cube will be there only, minus 3x square will be there only, then here x and 2x, it becomes 3x, and plus 2 minus 4 means minus 2. So here this is Gx into x minus 2 is coming, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Till here you copy down, then further calculation work I am showing you over here. Now till here we have got, that means now you want to find Gx. It should be x cube minus 3x square, then plus 3x and minus 2 and upon x minus 2. So after this line, Gx into x minus 2 is going to be equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Now you can see that this is your dividend and this is your divisor. Now normally you can divide it and you will get your answer. So here let us divide now. Let us divide it. Now I am going to divide it normally, x minus 2, and here I am going to write x cube minus 3x square plus 3x and minus 2. So if I am dividing, I have to write it x square and x when multiply, it is giving you x cube, x square, and 2 it is giving you minus 2x square. Then here this is minus sign, here it is plus sign, this both cancel, minus 3 and plus 2 becomes minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Further here minus x, x and x, it becomes x square minus minus plus. So I am writing plus 2x here, then here it should be plus sign, here it should be minus sign, both cancel, and 3 minus 2, that means here you are getting x minus 2. Now I can write here plus 1, then you will get x minus 2 here, minus, and here its sign become plus. So it is cancelled. That means your quotient is coming here x square minus x plus 1. Therefore, you can write that your gx is here. What is gx? That is x square minus x and plus 1. In this way, you can calculate your gx over here. So this is the solution of this question number 4. Like that, you can apply the division algorithm to solve such type of questions. Now I am talking about your question number 5 of exercise 2.3. Here this question is depending upon the degrees. So here 5 number question, just look at your question number 5 of your NCERT book. Give examples of polynomials px, gx, qx and rx which satisfy the division algorithm. Which satisfies the division algorithm. And number 1, degree px equal to degree qx. That means the degree of px means the dividend and qx means the quotient. So degree of px and qx both should be equal. That means you can take any of the example as per your own convenience. Any example you can give. That means both degree gx and rx both are here px, gx, qx and rx. There are 4 components in the division algorithm. How many components are there for the division algorithm? You know that there are 4 components. What are they? First one is dividend, that we are telling it px. Second one is the divisor, that we are telling here gx. Then third component is there, that is quotient, that we are telling as qx. Then the fourth component is remainder, that is here rx. So here px, gx, qx and rx, there are 4 components for any division algorithm. Now here degree px is equal to degree qx. Therefore both gx and rx both are constant term. Both are constant term. About gx and rx, if we will talk here, then both will be the constant terms. So you can take any of the example, like I am writing for px. Wait. So question number 5. Here question number 5.1, it is written that degree px equal to degree qx. Degree px equal to degree qx. Degree qx. Actually we need to think about the degrees of all these polynomials. So since if I can write px equal to, what you can write about px? I can take px as 2x square minus 2x minus 14. This is your px. And here gx. About gx, what you can say? That means the degree of gx is 0. That is degree of gx is 2 over there. And the degree of qx, that you can take as x square. Gx is 2. If 2 will divide this number, then you will have x square minus x and minus 7. This is your gx, and here your remainder will be 0. So here they have told you, give examples of polynomial px, gx, qx and rx which satisfies the division algorithm, and degree px equal to degree qx. So here you can see that the 4 components Px, Gx, Qx and Rx, we have to write all these components over there. You have to settle that degree Px and degree Qx should be equal. So, degree Px and degree, here the degree of Px is 2 and degree of Qx is also 2. So, both the degree are same. It is possible when your divisor is a constant term. At this situation, both the degrees should be equal. You can take any of the example. It is not only one answer for this question. You may think more polynomials which can satisfy the given relation. Like this, you can talk about this degree. Now, I am talking about question number 2 over here. In second number question, what is given? Degree Qx. Degree Qx equal to degree Rx. The degree of Qx and the degree of Rx, both degrees should be equal. They are telling that degree Qx and this is the degree Rx. Degree Rx. Both the degrees should be equal. Degree Qx and degree Rx should be equal. That means the degree of quotient and the degree of remainder is same. This is possible when degree of both Qx and Rx should be less than Px and Gx. This is only possible when both the degree of Qx and Rx should be less than the degree of Px and Gx. So, you can take like Px, let me write this 2 number at the top itself, because I hope that you have written this one. So, let me make it question number 2, then we can think this question here, second number question here. Here in the second number question, degree Qx, it is the question is degree Qx is equal to degree Rx, degree Rx. So, here according to this statement, it is clear that the degree of Qx and Rx should be less than Px and Gx. So, Px, I can take Px as x cube plus x square plus x and plus 1. This is the divisor. Now, the Gx. So, its degree should be less than the Px. That means I can take as x square plus 1. I can take its degree as x square plus 1 or x square minus 1. Whatever you want, you can take. Suppose this time I am taking here the minus sign. Gx is x minus 1. Then if you will be dividing it, then Rx will be coming 2x plus 2. And the remainder you are getting, Qx, when you are dividing x square minus 1 by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, that means your quotient will be x plus 1. Your quotient will be x plus 1 and the remainder will be 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. So, like that you need to write this answers, and here you have to think about the degree. Once again I am repeating, there are lot of examples are possible here. You can think and you can settle your own answer for such type of question. Then for third number, degree Rx equal to 0, it is written over there that degree Rx equal to 0 means the degree of remainder is 0. This is possible when product of Qx and Gx form a polynomial whose degree is equal to Px. That means it should be a constant term only. That means the degree of Qx and Gx degree, this is possible when product of Px and Gx form a polynomial whose degree is equal to the degree of Px and constant term. In that case, it is possible that remainder you are getting as 0. That means the degree of the remainder is 0, that means the remainder is a constant term. Okay, so you can settle down here one example. Okay, so this is possible when so you can write here one px here. Suppose px I am taking x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, and gx that I am taking over here, that is x plus 1. Gx I am taking x plus 1. Then you know that here qx means quotient will be coming also x plus 1. The quotient is also coming x plus 1 and the remainder rx is coming 0. So that means when you are multiplying gx by qx, this will be coming. So you can think many more examples. In this case, the divisor is dividing the dividend completely. That means the divisor is dividing the dividend completely. After that you are getting your remainder 0. So like that you can settle down more examples for this question. Now I am suggesting you all that do all the examples of NCERT book, because these examples are very, very important, and by doing those examples you will be able to understand more concept regarding the exercise. And along with that you have to do any reference book which you like, do the reference book, but do those questions by yourself only. So today your chapter number 2 is finished over here. Now I am going to do exercise this chapter number 3. Next day I am going to start the pair of linear equation in 2 variables, and you have to revise the contents of this chapter number 3 so that you can understand what I will discuss you all. Thank you for today.